Hello YouTube, Rick Dill here for part 6 of my series of my collection. I might not have time to finish this whole thing, so hopefully I will, because there's a lot in this shelf. This is my small shelf as far as the size of the puzzles. So here we go. I have some missing links here. All these are Rubik's style missing links except for this one. This is prismatic. Well, not reflective, not prismatic. Reflective one. So keychain missing links. I didn't know I had so many until just now. Here are some pyramids. These are keychain pyramids. This is really tiny. So I have that one. I have a few in the packages. Then I have some other ones that are not in the package. That one, and this one. This one's kind of strange because the background is not white. It's kind of like, looks like glow in the dark type of background, but it doesn't glow in the dark. Okay, I have two little. I have a barrel, miniature barrel cube. And then I have a hexagonal barrel keychain cube. A snake. And then two snakes that are keychain snakes that are just not done yet. Oh, here's another missing link that in the package, the one with the reflective links. The reflective paint. I have a keychain Babylon Tower, a Vericon Tower in the package, and I have another Vericon Tower not in the package. And then I have another kind of Vericon Tower that used to flash different colors. Right now the battery's worn out, and so it doesn't flash anymore. Here's another Babylon Tower keychain out of the package. I have a small truncated cube keychain. 3 ball type keychain cubes. Well, not cubes, but balls, I guess. Puzzles. I have a Whippet puzzler called Puzzler 6 type of puzzle in a box. Another one. And another one. It's a little longer than the other ones. I have a small keychain with it. This is really cool. It's a necklace. Really tiny. Look how little that is. Baby thing. That is really cool. One of my favorite ones. But I don't play with it because I don't want to mess it up. I have some other cubes. Here's a small keychain cube. Another one that's still in the package. Another one. Different type of style, but you can tell it's old, but different from the keychains. Another one. There you go. It's a twin brother, I guess. A white 2x2 keychain cube. A smaller 2x2 keychain cube. Another one, a cheaper one. Maybe a 3x3 cube. It's tiled keychain. Stickerless 3x3. A smaller 3x3 and an even smaller 3x3. This is one Rubik's one from when they first came out. These are a Rubik's necklace or a Rubik's keychain. That was back in the 80s. You can see where it used to be right there. A 3x3 Rubik's and a larger 3x3 Rubik's. Another stickless 3x3. prismatic 3x3. Have some picture 3x3s. This is Tweety Bird. This one is Star Wars. That one is, I don't know, some kind of evil penguin. This one is some wrestlers. A student gave me that one. This one is, I forget. Just those are the pictures that are on it. A Tower of the Americas from San Antonio, Texas cube. Another Whippet style puzzle, still in this box. Another Whippet style, and then two more. This one's round. This one's has 6 sides, hexagonal. Another one of those picture cubes, smaller ones with different designs. A little Ultraman keychain cube. Another Ultraman keychain cube with just little pictures of him. There he is right there. Even though they call him Superman here, I think it's Ultraman. Two more keychain cubes. Well, this is not a keychain cube. That one is. Different brand. Another different brand of keychain cube. Some rescue paws or something like that. I remember that name a while ago, now I can't remember it. Anyway, it's a little cartoon. My grandson gave me that. Hello Kitty. Cylindrical cube with the style. A stupid cube, all one color. Another keychain cube called the Wonderful Keychain. Some small cube. I think it's Russian. Golinok something maybe. I forget what this one is called. A Wonderful Puzzler hexagonal, still sealed. A couple of Circus 7 puzzles. Rubik cubes, old style, with the color the way they're supposed to be, I think, with blue and white opposite. The way I bought my first one, that's the way it looks. A ball 3x3. A smaller ball 3x3. Two more $1 billion barrels. 10 billion barrels. A couple of trillions. One in the whole package, one just outside. One of those. Tower puzzles. Lots of colors on that one. Here's some more Whippet puzzles. Different colors from the other ones. Hexagonals again. Another round one. LJN on this one. Another hexagonal. This one has 4 though. Another Whippet, round one though. This one has 6. Few more different brands. Puzzler 6. Whippet style. Smiley faces. And then on this one, same thing. Just no smiley faces. Smaller Whippets style puzzles. This one's hexagonal though. Another Russian puzzle. I believe it's Russian. If not, I don't mean to offend anybody. We have another Whippet style. This one was 6 again. Hexagonal this time. Whippet style pin. This one too. This one's a lot better quality. This one actually like snaps into place. Rubik's Revolution keychain. Another one of those. It's a little more whiter. The plastic's a little clearer. The other one's a little more yellow. A puzzle called Knife Cubes. Kind of like the Instant Insanity. Two of these switchbacks. Got that one and that one. Some generic type of trillion puzzles. A 3x3x7. A ball puzzle. Really hard to solve. Keychain. Another ball puzzle. 2x2. Medium-sized snake. And then a whole slew of buttons and keychains. And there you go. Well, that is all this time. I know I went through pretty fast, but I wanted to make sure I got all those in there, and I did. Thank you for watching, and again, have a wonderful day, YouTubers. Bye bye.